Hi. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I'm great, thank you. How about you? I'm doing well, thanks. Where are you going today? I'm flying to Canada. That's wonderful. Is it your first time? Yes, it is. I'm very excited. Why are you going to Canada? I'm going to visit my brother. How long will you stay there? I'll stay for 3 weeks. That's a nice vacation. Yes. I have been waiting for this trip for a long time. Do you already have your boarding pass? Yes, I checked in online yesterday. Great. Do you have any luggage? Yes, I have 1 suitcase and 1 backpack. Is your suitcase heavy? No, it's about 18 kilograms. That's good. The airline allows 23 kilograms. Yes, I checked the rules before packing. Smart idea. Thank you. What time is your flight? It leaves at 10:30 this morning. Do you know your gate number? Yes. It's gate 12. Perfect. You still have some time. Yes. I think I'll buy a cup of coffee first. That's a good idea. Would you like to join me? Sure. I'd love to. Which airline are you flying with? I'm flying with Qatar Airways. Nice. I've heard it's a very good airline. Yes, the service is usually excellent. Where are you traveling? I'm going to Germany for a business meeting. That sounds interesting. I hope everything goes well. I'm sure it will. Thank you. You're welcome. It's nice meeting you. Nice meeting you too. Attention, passengers. Flight QR 312 is now boarding at gate 12. That's my flight. Have a safe trip. Thank you. Have a great trip too. Goodbye. Goodbye.